have to get the insurance from the very first day once you buy the car or any other automobile. First thing is you need to contact several agencies and ask a quote from them. Automobile insurance company will ask you about your date of birth, your contact details, your name, your driving license details, your driving license number and which license you have, the expiry of your current driving license, if you have any prior experience in driving in your home country. In some of the companies, they consider prior experience and they will provide you some discount on your insurance, but some of the companies do not consider the prior experience. Have you financed the car or have you taken the car by giving the full amount at once? How many people are going to drive the car? Maybe there are 2 members in your family who are going to drive the car, so they will ask the insurance details for both of them. Your initial learner license details also few of the companies may ask. That is a G1 license in Ontario. You can check the details about different licenses in Canada and how you can apply for it in our one of the video. One more thing they will ask you about is driving license certificate. Driving license certificate is something which is provided by the driving instructor. So whenever you take the driving classes, if you take it in a package, so few of the driving instructors, few of the driving agencies will provide you a certificate along with their classes. As per our and our friends' experience so far, these few are the companies in which you can check for the quote and you can check for insurance. TD, Bell Direct, Allstate. These are few of the companies which provide insurance in a good rate. So please check with them. One thing is which reduces cost in few of the cases is if you club your auto and your tenant insurance, but that is not the case by all companies. Few of the companies provide you discount if you club both the insurances, so please do check for that. If you have a G license, the insurance cost will be less compared to the G2 license. So I would suggest if you have a good driving experience in your home country also and you have been driving since a long time, so before buying your own car, try to get the G license. Another thing which I mentioned earlier also, if you have a DL extract is the experience which you have from your home country. So if you show that, that also gives some discount, but that is again in few of the companies. Insurance costs are less also based on the cities or based on the locations. So for example, right now in Brampton, in Mississauga, in Vaughan, these cities the insurances are too high. If you have been driving in Canada for more than an year, then every year the insurance cost will reduce for you. It won't be a big difference, but still some of the insurance cost gets reduced. If you have a good driving record in your home country as well as in Canada, that also helps in reducing the insurance cost. If you did not get any demerit points in last year, demerit points gets accumulated when you get a ticket from police for any of the issues. If your car is new, then also insurance will be less compared to if you buy a used car. And the last thing is, as we have heard, that insurances are higher for few of the models like Honda, but not that much for other models. One of the question will be how many kilometers this car is expected to run in an year. So you should not mention too much kilometers. If you're just going to use it for personal purpose, then you can just mention them 5 to 8,000 kilometers. And if you're planning to use it for official purpose, then you can mention more kilometers because that is also going to change the cost of insurance. Again, as I mentioned earlier, take quote from 2 to 3 insurance companies, not from just one of them, and then decide which one is better for you. Normally, insurance companies will give you a 1 year or 11 months contract for insurance. So if you feel that this particular company is taking more amount from you, then next year you can switch to some other company also. When you have finalized which insurance you are going to buy, try to do the payment from credit card monthly instead of debit card because that is going to help you in making your good credit score as well. That was all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.